Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about show toast message component which is introduced in summer 26 in Salesforce ScreenFlow. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in Salesforce summer 26 release, you can directly show a toast message in ScreenFlow using the standard show toast message action. So it will eliminate the need for custom Lightning Web Components or third-party packages, right? So before get started and creating the flow from the scratch, let me show you how it will be work. And I'm doing it in a pre-release Salesforce Summer 26 release pre-release org. And if you have not ever like how to request that pre-release org, please do check it out in my flow playlist, or I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video description to like how to request a pre-release org, right? So I have already added that created screen flow in the lead record page, and we are going to see the toast message for the lead creation, right? So let me just create a new lead, and I'll just provide the name like a toast message test lead, and the company name I'll just provide like test, and the lead source as like for example advertisement. So I'll just click on next. So on clicking on next, we can see that here is the toast message lead created successfully. Actually, this is the title of the toast message, and this is the body of the toast message component, right? So in here we can see this lead ID. So created lead ID is already a linkable ID field, and on clicking on this lead ID reference, we can just navigate to the particular record as well, right? So this is a good feature. So earlier, to implement this one, we need to require a custom Lightning Web Component, but from the summer 26 release orgs, we don't require that component, since we can just directly use the show toast message component in the screen flow, right? And we have like these set input values. We can just set like success, these four pick list values we can set like success, information, warning, error. Then we can mention the dismissal method. Like dismissal method means how much long the toast message will appear, so to appear to be closed, right? So we can just close if we select this as a manual. So there are like two options, automatic and manual. So if we select this manual option, we need to close the pop-up message manually. We just need to close on the that close icon to close the pop-up message, right? But if we select as automatic, then it will be closed by automatically after 2-3 seconds, right? So in the toast message title, we can provide the title of that message we want to display, and we can display like in the resource picker we can use as a body. So in the body, on clicking we can just provide any random text here. We can provide a link to a text, right? So we want to display the lead ID as a linkable ID, and in the display text we can configure the lead ID, and based on that URL configuration / lead ID, we can just navigate to the particular record. So I'll create for the timing, I'll create this I will create this flow from the scratch, right? So as I do for each video, to create the steps from the scratch for your understanding. So I'll just deactivate the created flow. So the flow got deactivated, and I'll just go to the setup, and in the setup, in this create drop down, we can just see flow. We can just directly create a flow from that button itself, and we just need to select screen flows, right? So we can see that option in the screen flow only. So we want to create a lead record, right? So for the time being, I'll just add a screen component. So in here, let me just provide the label as lead create screen. And in here we are going to use a record variable. So for the time being, I can just create a new record variable. So I'll just provide the API name as lead rec var, and the data type should be record, and the object should be lead, since we want to create a lead record. And we can just click on done. So on utilizing this record variable lead record var, we can see all these necessary required fields will be available in the lead. What are those required fields? We just need to put in the screen. So to create a lead, the name is required, a company information, the company name is required, and the status is required, but it will be like automatically set to new if it is not done manually. And we can just provide the lead source as well, right? So we are just good to go, and I'll just click on done. Now we want to create the lead, right? So that's why we just need to use the create records element, simple. And in the label I'll just provide create lead record, and this should be from record variable. That is why I'll just choose this record lead record variable. We can update existing record as well by toggling on this, right? So for the time being I'm not going to do that. So now we can just add the show toast message component. That is the purpose of this demo, show toast message, right? So I'll just provide the label as show toast message on lead create. And as I mentioned, toast message style, there are like four message styles are available: success, information, warning, error. So on success we can see that green banner pop up, then we can, for information we can see that gray error pop up, information pop up, and for warning we could see like yellow banner, and for error we can see the red banner. So for the requirement purpose we choose our proper toast message style properly to utilize in the message style. So for the time being I'll just use the success, since we are going to create uh, a lead record and we want to display a success pop-up. And the dispatchal method, as I mentioned, like we want to make it automatic, since we want to see like this pop-up message will be automatically closed after displaying the show message. After 2-3 seconds it will automatically closed. But if we just select manually, we just need to close manually by clicking on that close button in that pop-up message, right? So in the so toast message style title, we just need to provide a resource as well, but for the timing I'll just provide like lead record created successfully. So this is the title we want, and in the resource picker we want like a lead ID. And the good purpose is that like in the toast message body we can just provide any static text, but if we want to make it hyperlinked way that I show in the demo at first, so in that case what we can do, we just need to provide the second brackets, then we just need to provide like lead ID, right? We want to make the lead ID as link. So whenever we are putting any variable in the any text in the within the second bracket, we can see this new section got appeared, configure links, right? So in the link name we can see this lead ID. We can add as many as, like for example we want like we want to see the lead name, and we can see the link name is showing as lead name, right? So this is how we can add, make it clickable or linkable. And in the display text we want to show that lead record ID. That is why I can just choose the record ID, record variable dot id. So this is how we can just choose, and I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste in the URL. So we want to navigate to the record, that's why we just need to provide a font slash in here, so that on clicking on that link of that lead record ID we can be redirected to the lead record ID. So that's all. This is as simple as that. Configure show toast message component in Salesforce ScreenFlow, and I can just save the flow, and I'll just provide the label as so toast ScreenFlow demo, and I'll just save the flow, and we can just activate the flow as well. So now I'll just go to the lead record and I'll just edit the page. So what we could do, like let me just delete this component first. So what we need to do, we just from the components we need to search for flows. So I'll just search for flows and add that flow component in here. And in the search, so we just need to provide our flow name, and our flow name is to show toast screen flow demo, right? So on clicking on edit flow in flow builder, on clicking on this link, we can redirect it to the flow builder as well. So let me just save the page. Our changes got saved, and I'll just go to the lead record page. So now let me just create the lead record, and I'll just provide like Mr. Salesforce AI Champions Toast Message Demo, and company name I'll just provide test, and the lead status we want as new, and lead source, for example, partner. So I'll on clicking on next, we should see this pop up, lead records created successfully, and this is the lead ID. So this is the lead record ID, and as so on clicking on this lead record ID, so we can be redirected to the lead record page. So as I mentioned, like since this pop-up automatically vanished, right, since we have configured this dismissal method as automatic, that is why it got automatically vanished or automatically closed. But in case of we made it to manual, we just need to close it manually, right? So that's how, as simple as that, we can configure this to show toast message component in ScreenFlow. Hope this is very useful to you. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio and Data Cloud topic as well as Agentforce topic. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching.